Welcome to the Interactive Advisors Robo-advisor Review Usage Experience. Links to this platform can be found in the description below. Interactive Advisors is a hybrid robo-advisor that combines automated portfolio management with the option for human guidance, making it a versatile solution for investors seeking customization and professional insights. It's an excellent choice for both beginner and experienced investors looking for cost-effective, tailored investment strategies. One of the platform's standout features is its diverse portfolio options. Interactive Advisors offers a range of professionally managed portfolios, including index tracking, asset allocation strategies, and thematic portfolios focused on sectors like technology, ESG, environmental, social, and governance, and dividend income. Investors can even opt for custom portfolios that let them exclude specific stocks or sectors, providing unparalleled personalization. This flexibility is ideal for those who want more control over their investments. Another advantage of Interactive Advisors is its low-cost structure. Management fees range from 0.08% to 1.5% annually, depending on the selected portfolio, and the minimum investment starts at just $100 for certain portfolios, making it accessible for a wide range of users. The platform also supports fractional shares, ensuring that even small investments are efficiently allocated. Interactive Advisors excels in transparency. Users can view the underlying holdings of each portfolio, performance metrics, and even insights from the portfolio managers. This level of detail empowers investors to make informed decisions about their strategy. Additionally, the platform provides tax loss harvesting for eligible accounts, which can help optimize after-tax returns. The user interface is sleek and integrates seamlessly with Interactive Broker's ecosystem, offering tools like performance tracking, goal setting, and financial insights. For investors seeking expert advice, Interactive Advisors offers direct access to human portfolio managers for certain strategies, bridging the gap between automation and personalized service. In summary, Interactive Advisors stands out for its customization, affordability, and professional oversight, making it a strong choice for investors who want both automated efficiency and human expertise. Whether you're new to investing or looking for advanced options, this platform has something to offer. Check the links in the description to learn more and see if Interactive Advisors aligns with your financial goals.